Let us see one problem. The question has been asked in the year 2015 for Cbse. The question number is 13 and 3 marks is awarded for this question. Now let me read out this question. The length, breadth and height of a room are 8 meter 50 centimeter, 6 meter 25 centimeter and 4 meter 75 centimeter respectively. Find the length of the longest rod that can measure the dimensions of the room exactly. So in the question, three values are given and the question is to find the length of the longest rod that can measure the dimensions of the room. Now we can see so let me write the solution for this problem. So given respectively, so here what is the length? So the length will be 8 meter and 50 centimeter. 8 meter and 50 centimeter. And what is the breadth? So breadth will be 6 meter and 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. And what is the height? The height is 4 meter and 75 centimeter. So the question is to find the length of the longest rod. So three values are given. So we have to find out the length of the longest rod that can measure the dimension of the room. So dimension to measure these values. So we have to find out HCF. The question is to find HCF, that is highest common factor. Highest common factor how to find out? So first of all we need to bring the given values in 1 unit. So here it is given as 8 meter 50 centimeter. We need to convert it into centimeter term. So what is the value of 1 meter? So 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Then what is the value of 8 meter? So 8 meter will be 800 centimeter. Therefore by converting this we will get, so 8 meter will be 800 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. So the value will be 850 centimeter. We need to bring it in a common unit of centimeter. So here 850 centimeter. Then 6 meter. So 6 meter will be 600 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. So the value will be 625 centimeter. 625 centimeter. Then 4 meter will be 400 centimeter. 400 centimeter plus 75 centimeter. 75 centimeter. Therefore, that will be 475 centimeter. Now, to find highest common factor. So, to find highest common factor, remember one thing. First, we need to factorize. First, we need to factorize. Then find the common term. And then find the highest value. So, first factorize the given number. So, what is the first value? It is 850. So, to factorize 850, so here the number ends with 0. So, it is divisible by 2. So, it is also divisible by 5. So, we get the least possible value 2. So, here we will get, so 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So, the remaining value will be 1. Therefore, 5 2s are 10. So the number is ending with 5, so it is divisible by 5. Therefore 8 5s are 40, so the remaining is 2, so 25, so it is 85. 5 5s are 25. The number is ending with 5, again it is divisible by 5, so 1 5s are 5, so here 3, so 7 5s are 35. Therefore 850 can be written as 850 can be written as, so 2 into 5 into 5 into 17. So product of the prime factors, 2 into 5 into 5 into 17. Now 625. So factorizing 625. So it is ending with 5. Therefore we can divisible by 5. So 12 5s are 60, remaining 2. So 5 5s are 25. Again it is ending with 5, therefore divisible by 5. So 2 5s are 10. So so here it is 5. So 2, so 5 5s are 25. And then 5, so here it is 5. 5 5s are 25. So 625 can be written as, so 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Then what is the third case? So that is 400 plus 75. So it is 475. So 475. So it is ending with 5. So it is divisible by 5. So here we have 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45. The remaining will be 2. So 5 5s are 25. So again 5, 4, so 1 5s are 5. So remaining will be 4, 9 5s are 45. So factorizing we will get, so 475 can be written as, so 5 into 5 into 19. 5 into 5 into 19. Now we have to find out the HCF. To find HCF, now we have to find out the prime factors. So number of prime factors. So here 2 is one of the prime factor, 5 one prime factor, 17 and then 19. So we have to find how many times 2 occurs. It is occurring one time. So we can take first one. So here how many times 5 occurs? Maximum number of times 5 occurs is 4. So 2, 3, 4, 5. We allocate 5 4 times. And then maximum number of times 17 occurs one time. Maximum number of times 19 occurs one time. So the first case, so 850. If you take 850, so 2 occurs one time, 5, so here 2 3 4 allocated for, so 2 to 5 allocated for 5. So here how many times 2 occurs? So 2 times, so remaining dash, and 17 occurs one time, remaining dash, and then 625. So 625 you can see no 2 is there, so 5 occurs 4 times. 5 occurs 4 times. And then for 475, 475 no 2 is there, so 5 occurs 2 times and 19 occurs one time. All the remaining terms are dash. Now we have to find out the highest common factor, common value. The second thing is common. So we can see the common term. So here it is 5. It is common. So here we have 5 which is common. Therefore the common factor. We take the product of the common factor. So 5 into 5. So highest common factor of these three numbers will be 25. So the common unit is centimeter. Therefore, it is 25 centimeter. Therefore, HCF of the given three numbers is 25 centimeter. Therefore, length of the longest rod. Therefore, length of the longest rod is equal to 25 centimeter. Thank you.